friends, how's it going? It's me, Betty Jean. Today's video is going to be my 2 looks and review on the new Nomad Cosmetics Iceland palette. I'm so excited about doing this video. Just to preface, I've been super excited about playing with this palette. This is what the inside looks like just in case you haven't seen it. It's such a good combination of cool tones, warm tones. We have the deep blues and grays, but we also have the bright, airy lavender, green, orange. There's so many cool things going on, lots of contrast, lots of compliments. It's very well curated, very good job on Nomad's part. Nomad, thank you again for sending me this palette. I know I said that in my first impressions, but just thank you again. I appreciate you guys always sending me your launches. I always love playing with your products. You do such a good job and I just really appreciate it. I do have a discount code with Nomad Cosmetics, just so you guys know. It's BeatBeam10. I don't make any commission off of it. It's just for you to save money. They have so many cool palettes, just so many cool products. I just can't wait to see what else they come out with next. They always do such a cool job. This palette in particular, I did already do a first impressions and an Instagram video on, so if you want 2 additional looks, go check those videos out, and this video will bring you 2 more looks. So hopefully you'll enjoy it. I'll give you my thoughts and break everything down at the end of the video, but until then I guess we'll just hop in and create the looks. I'll give you my jewelry and wig details for looks number 1 and 2 as each look happens, so if you're curious about anything, just stay tuned. I'll go over that with you. So yeah, let's just hop in, create some looks, and we will chat some more about the palette at the end of the video. Hello, how's it going? We're gonna film look number 1 today. I'm gonna remember to tell you my jewelry details right now. I believe this choker is from Shop Sun & Co. I'm not positive, but I think that's where it's from. If it is, you can use my affiliate code BEAUTBEAN for 10% off. If it's not there, then I don't know where it's from because it's old. These plugs are Love Kills Boutique. These earrings are Spooky Doodle Club on Etsy. This ring is Ana Luisa. This is a Christmas brand wig. Check my FAQ in the description box if you need spelling. And of course, a CC brand beanie. Okay, that was a mouthful. Goodness. Let's hop into look number 1. I want a blue-green halo eye today, I think we can do that, yeah. I think that sounds good. I kind of want grays and blues also. We're just gonna see what happens. I'm gonna prime with the Urban Decay Primer Potion like normal. I'm gonna blend it out and I'm not gonna set it because I don't prefer to do that. I wanna start with just this lighter matte blue shade down here just to get a nice blown out situation in my crease. With that, I'm gonna use this Kaleidos S2 blending brush. And again, I do want a halo eye, so I want a very rounded look, so I'm kind of tilting my head back so I can just do a nice rounded windshield wiper kind of shape. I don't want this eye look too winged out or anything like that today. How are you doing? I'm doing okay. It's Tuesday the somethingth, the 19th. I don't know when this video is getting uploaded. I think it's getting uploaded next week. I just have some time this morning to get a jump start on filming it. So here we are today. It's already so pretty. All right, lower lash as well. Just gonna pop a little of it just right underneath, again, not winged out or anything like that. Now I wanna take the darker matte blue with the cute gnome in it. I'm gonna use that on a Morphe M506 brush. And I'm just going to tippy tap this in the inner and outer portion of my eye. This is not gonna get dragged through my crease. This is gonna be the deepest shade in my halo eye. And I want to keep the interior very open and airy. I want to leave the interior nice and light and open so that the green can be our nice spotlight effect. It's going to look very sloppy before it looks good. It's okay. I am going to drag the blue all the way across my lower lash line though. Sometimes with my halo eyes, I like the middle of the lower lash line to be open as well, but today I want it smoky. Now I'm going to take the matte gray Odin. I haven't played with that shade yet because I didn't play with it in my first impressions. Just taking that on another fluffy brush, and I'm just gonna focus this on the blue, the darker blue that I laid down. Again, I'm not gonna put too much focus of this shade towards the middle. I want this to just help blend out the blue in the outer and lower portion. Look how easy these are blending out. It's already looking just so diffused and soft. I love it. So cute. Oh yes, I love that. Okay, I'm gonna take a little bit more of that matte lighter blue from before on that same Kaleidos brush. Just gonna kind of go to town. Oh, I love this so much. I feel like I have kind of a gray blue kind of situation. I think it looks good. Oh, and they're blending just so easy. I'm literally barely having to work. I've said it once and I'll say it a million times. Nomad shadows would be perfect for beginners because they're so easy to work with. Love that. I probably would have like been obsessed with Nomad if they were one of the first brands that I discovered. Like I probably would have, I don't know, I would have just had the best time. I mean, I still have the best time with them, but I could see them being a brand I really enjoyed when I was first getting into makeup because they're just so easy and their color stories are so interesting. Because even when I was first getting into makeup, I didn't like boring makeup. I still wanted interesting makeup. All right, so I want to have the middle be Northern Lights, and I feel like I want the Valkyrie shade on the inner and outer portion. I think that would be really cute. So I think that's what we're gonna do. I have this flat brush. It's just like skinny and flat, and I'm gonna use that to help kind of cut the interior a little bit. I'm taking some of my NYX Glitter Primer, and I'm just going to tap that right in the center, tilt my head back, and I'm just going to kind of create a little bit of a rounded cut for that green to really stand out, just like that. All right, taking Northern Lights, that beautiful green. I have not used this shade yet. Oh, that's so pretty. Start kind of following that cut that I just made. Again, I have my head tilted back so I can really get in this nook. It helps keep my eyelid nice and smooth too, to have it nice and kind of back and taut. And I'm just taking this until it kind of gets to the deepest portion on both the inner and outer. And then I'm just going to kind of fill in the very center. I'm not going to take it very far on either side because I do want there to be that other shimmer on the inner and outer to help blend it into the blue mattes. But holy moly, that is cute. Look at that. I love it. I'm just going to take the packing side of this dual-ended blending brush I used earlier, and I'm just going to pop a little more glitter primer and then take Valkyrie's, that beautiful kind of like purpley blue duochrome. I think this will be really pretty right next to this green. Such an interesting shimmer. Obviously, I'm not taking this into the crease. I'm just keeping it very tucked right in the inner and outer portion of the lid, still kind of following that roundness that I started forming with the green, but I'm not really cutting it right here. I'm just laying it down. Now I'm just going to take a little bit more of the brush that I had the green on. Actually, I will pick up a little bit more green just to help kind of smudge so that it flows from the different shades on my lid. Oh, look how pretty that is. That worked out so easy. I'm going to take that small brush that I had with the darkest blue just to very lightly rub right where that blue shimmer meets the blue mattes. Nothing crazy, I'm not going wild, just so it can be nice and smooth, you know? I'm obsessed with this. I think that is so pretty. I think I want the green in my inner corner. That might be kind of fun. Ooh, let me blend that out. Oh, I actually love that. I think that's very cute. The green shade's called Northern Lights, and I'm kind of getting that vibe with this look. I think that's very pretty. Well, I'm going to repeat it on the other eye, throw on my lashes, eye pencil, and lips, and I'll be back when I'm complete. All right, this is the first look complete. I feel very cute. It's very earth. I didn't even like, earth didn't click into my mind when I was doing this eye look, but it's very earth, and I think it's really pretty. I'm quite content with this. I think it came out pretty lovely. I really love Nomad shimmers. I can't stop staring at my eyeballs. They look so good. The eye pencil I paired with this is Chill Blue. If I would have had an eye pencil the exact same shade as the green shimmer that I have, that's also kind of metallic, that's exactly what I would have put, but instead I just went with the light kind of icy metallic blue instead, and I think it's cute. It's called Chill Blue. I don't know if I said that. I probably did. Anyways, my lashes are the Queenie lashes from Colourpop, and on my lips I went with Aurelia from Menagerie. I just wanted something kind of cool toned, you know? I don't know. Thought it was cute. Anyways, yeah, that's that. This is look number 1. I guess let's move on to look number 2. I promise you I will play with those warm tones for look number 2 because otherwise you'll hunt me down. I will get on that. So let's zoom out. I'm actually going to film a really fun chatty video now. So I'll be back another day for look number 2. Hello, it is look number 2. Today is Wednesday the 27th. I don't even know when I filmed look number 1. I feel like it was a week ago. I've just had so many other things that I've had to start filming and just things taking priority. But I'm excited to film look number 2. I filmed my Instagram video for this palette yesterday, and I'm just having the best time with this palette. I can't wait to film this look. Priming with the Urban Decay Primer Potion, of course. Oh, let me go over my details before I forget. Ana Luisa necklace. I don't know if you'll be able to see my plugs today, but if you do, there, Love Kills Boutique, Christma brand wig, FAQ description box if you need spelling, and the same CC brand beanie from look number 1, I believe. All right, let's do it. I want to start with the orangey red shade right here. We're gonna play with some of those tones today, folks. Are you shocked? Are you surprised? I'm taking that on this Morphe E17. If you hear cars such as this one driving by, it's because my window's open. It feels really good outside. It's that kind of crispy, misty kind of feel outside right before it rains. And it's like not gloomy either, so I don't know. I'm excited. It feels good. Zane and I are going right after I finish filming to our house because we finally get to have our pre-drywall walkthrough. I'm gonna try to film it for you, but we'll see how it goes. I'm just taking this mostly in the outer corner, running it through the crease, a little on the lower lash, mostly just the outer half of my lower lash. I want to take Dark Castles now just to deepen it up, just a smidge, nothing too crazy. I'm taking that just directly on the outer part of my lid, and very deep kind of in that outer half of the crease, not all the way through. And I'll also pop a little on the lower lash, why not? Something kind of sort of like that. That looks beautiful, doesn't it? I'm just gonna take that first shade that I had just to smudge right on the edge here. I'm just using a little bit of product, a little bit of pressure, holding the end of my brush so that it's not too choked up and tight. And I'm just lightly doing some little feathers, some little strokes, you know? I'm just kind of doing little swishy back and forth motions just to help smudge out that line where the dark was. And now we're gonna take the light orange matte. I'm gonna take that on this MOTD Cosmetics Build and Blend brush. And this is gonna be the outer shade of our crease work. Just taking this all the way inner to outer corner, really just blending and winging everything out. This is giving us a really nice transition. And again, focusing on the outer half of the lower lash, not the entire lower lash. Sometimes I like just having the focus like here rather than like all the way around. I don't know, just depends on my mood, I guess. Very creamsicle-esque, this shade, it's cute. And just keep swirling around. Again, I'm holding the edge of my brush so I don't have a ton of pressure. I'm actually pretty happy with this. I feel like that worked out pretty easily. All right, for the lid, I want the outer half to be the shimmery red because I'm dying to use it. It looks like it's gonna be so pretty. And then on the inner half, we're gonna use that light shimmery lavender. I think that'll be a really cool combo of colors. Taking some NYX Glitter Primer. This is my Luxie 213 brush. It's just a kind of small, dense-ish packing brush. I'm not really doing any cut creasy things today, so it doesn't need to be super duper precise. Taking that shimmer red, my goodness. I have not used this shade yet and I'm so pumped. Ooh, wow. Cranberry goodness, that is so good. Oh, that's beautiful. I want to take that on the outer half of my lid. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. Okay, now we're gonna take the light purpley one there. That was the most awkward way to hold that palette ever. I'm just using the clean side of that brush. Oh my goodness gracious. Do you see the combo of that red and purple? I mean, obviously you do. That's so cute. What the heck? Oh, I love that. I love reds and purples together. I just think it's so beautiful. I'm just kind of going back and forth with both sides of the brush where they meet. Oh my goodness, I'm in love with that. Just taking one of my small blending brushes. This is the first one I used actually with no additional product. Just to kind of smudge. This combination of colors is really cool. Kind of the yellowy orange into the darker orange, into that like cranberry, into the purple. Ooh, I really like all of that. I guess for my inner corner, I think I just want to use the purple. Just keep with this little moment. I really didn't know what I was gonna do with this look. I just knew kind of which shades I wanted to use. This is really pretty, isn't it? It's kind of a good mix of like warmth and coolness. Well, this was very quick and easy, wasn't it? I didn't realize it was so quick, but sometimes you don't need crazy, long, intricate looks for it to be very pretty and impactful. So yeah, I'm gonna throw this look on the other eye, throw on my lashes, eye pencil, lips, and I'll be back when I'm complete. All right, this is the second look complete. It's so pretty, I love this. That merger of the lavender with the cranberry. It's such a beautiful shift on my lids. It looks like I have like a multi-chrome on my lids. It's so cool. The crease work paired with the difference of the lid, I just think it's all kinds of cool. I love this. Want a complete 180 from look number one? Like, this is the complete opposite end of the spectrum. I'm having so much fun with this palette. The eye pencil I paired with this is Frosted Lilac from NYX. I just wanted something to complement that inner corner action, and I thought this would be perfect. My lashes are Heather from Noella Lashes. I think I wore these in look number one, maybe not, who knows. And on my lips, I went with the Colourpop Brat Pack Lippy Stick. I just wanted something kind of light and neutral, you know what I mean? Nothing too light, I just wanted something kind of just neutral, you know? So yeah, this is look number two. I really hope you like it. I love how it came out. I don't know if I like this one better or look number one better. It might be a tie. Anyways, let's just zoom out and I'll give you my thoughts on the palette. Hello, welcome back. Which look was your favorite? I feel like I'm leaning towards look number one, but it's a very close, like pretty much tie. I love both of these looks. I've loved all four looks I've created so far with this palette. It's so much fun. I feel like it's very versatile. This palette is just so special. There's a really good matte to shimmer ratio. The mattes all blend like butter. They're so easy to work with. They're very soft and blendable. Very beginner friendly in my opinion. The shimmers are just so sparkly and reflected and they look so wet and beautiful. Some of the shades in particular like steal my breath, like this cool Valkyrie shade down here is so cool. I really love this lavender that's on the inner portion of my eye. There are so many special things about this palette. You can get really deep grungy looks. You can do very bright airy looks, things that are deep. You can do very blue focused, warm focused, mix and match. I feel like it's so unique and well curated. It's very colorful without it being a rainbow. Nomad Cosmetics absolutely killed it. I feel like I might like this one more than the Tokyo Harajuku, but if not, it's tied. I really enjoy this palette. I've had such a good time with it. I just think they did such a killer job. I honestly don't have any cons with this palette. I've had the best time. I feel like every shadow is individually unique. I don't feel like anything is too repetitive. I honestly don't even feel like there's anything I would add to this palette. I think they just did such a good job. This is such a standout palette. It's one of my favorite ones I've probably used lately, and I really don't know what else to say. Nomad, good job on this palette. I think you killed it. The artwork, the detail, everything. So yeah, I would love to know your thoughts. Did you enjoy my looks? Are you excited about this palette? Did you pick this one up? Are you gonna pass over it? I wanna hear all of your thoughts down below. Side note, have you been to Iceland? I wanna go so bad. It's definitely like towards the top of my bucket list. I wanna go so badly. It looks stunning. If you haven't seen pictures, do a quick Google search because it's beautiful. If you made it to the end of this video, leave me an emoji relating to fire and ice because it is the Iceland Fire and Ice palette. And if you liked this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you're not already, please hop over to my Instagram. It's BeautBean. Follow me there. I post every single day. And don't forget to subscribe. I'm posting most days here as well. Please make sure you're staying informed with everything that's going on in the world. There will be links in my description box that will take you to information and resources and ways in which you can help. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Okay, bye.